Check in, people. I'm in the mood for some dumpling. I check I didn't have any cornmeal, so I'm gonna make some oatmeal dumpling. I'm gonna use 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna use 2 cups of oats. That's a Jamaica oats. I don't want it to be so coarse, so I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna put it in the blender and kind of till it out for a little. And I'm gonna till it out with 1 cup of water. See it? 1 cup of water. People, you want to smell it? Look at that. It smells so nice. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt. But you know we don't measure salt. But I know it's a teaspoon. I'm going to add my oatmeal little at a time. If it needs any more liquid, then I'll put it in after. I don't even know if you can see me. Alright, people, now I'm going to catch some water on this. You don't want your flour to spoil, okay? Little at a time. A lot of people don't know that you can use oats in dumpling, you know. It's just like wheat. It is wheat. So you can use it. Don't see any cornmeal, so I use the next best thing. If you have oats at your home and you want to try it. It works. Alright, people, I'm going to allow this to set for a little. See? My pot is on the fire. As soon as the water starts to boil, we come right back. People, see? The flour set. See? Set. We're going to put it in now. And you know for make dumpling already, eh? This is how I make my dumpling. And we're going to mix that up with some plantain, some Irish potato, and some sweet potato. I don't have any banana today. And with the food, we're going to eat some saltfish and callaloo. You know, we don't have the natural callaloo straight from the farm. We have it in tin. If you know if it season it up, you can it tastes almost the same. Not the same, but almost the same. It can go on. So people, when you don't have any cornmeal to put in your dumpling, you can use oats. Because it's like the wheat flour, eh? Because I can't eat white flour alone. No go well at all with my stomach. See? See? When the pot hot, your dumpling don't stuck to the bottom of the pot. Free it up. Free up the dumpling. Always wash your plantain before you put it in the pot, you see? Because remember you put it in the pot with the skin on, so you always wash it. Washing my sweet potato, see? Alright, the other sweet potato. Put that in the pot, give it a stir. I'm going to peel 2 Irish. Alright people, 2 Irish. That's it for the pot. Give it 1 more stir. And then cover it. Let's check the pot. Yeah man, the pot are gone. We're going to take out the right plantain because we don't want it to overboil. Alright, see it? You don't want the right plantain to overcook. Alright. I'm going to give it a little more time. And then we take it off. You want to see the oats? Ooh. Want to see the oats in the white flour? Alright, let's give it a little more time. Put my pot on the fire. That's for the callaloo. People already went ahead and cut up my seasoning, my natural seasoning. I have 1 big tomato. I have 2 stalks of scallion. And I have a little slice of green pepper, that's a bell pepper. Half a medium onion. And I have 2 small sweet pepper. What is this? Orange and red. That's what I'm going to use in my callaloo and my saltfish. People, I went ahead and put some oil in the pot. My oil is about hot right now. I don't like when it's too hot when I'm going to put in the seasoning because sometimes the oil splash and I don't want to get any burn. A lot of people wait until it's well hot, but I don't. So I'm going to put in my seasoning. Alright, I'm going to allow the seasoning to cook. We don't want no raw seasoning, people. You have to give your seasoning time to cook. Isn't that beautiful? You're giving your seasoning time to cook, and then I'm going to crush out the tomato because I don't like when it's so hard. Alright, we give it a little time before we put in the saltfish. Our seasoning cook. I'm going to put in the saltfish now. So I usually boil up the saltfish like 2 or 3 times. Then I put it in some fresh water to soak off again. See? So I'm going to put it in now. I normally season twice. I put little black pepper. Little of Maggi all-purpose. Whatever season you fancy, you can use. But this is the one that I fancy. And a little Old Bay. Alright, then I mix them in. Oh my God, that smells good. I turn down my flame a little on medium. Look at that, people. Look nice. You know we can't eat this alone. But I wanted some callaloo and saltfish, so I'm going to put the callaloo in it. But this is perfect alone. Alright. I'm going to open my callaloo and then I pour it in. People see this is a tin callaloo that I use, Grace. I normally drain off the water. And then I put it in. But when I go to Jamaica, I have to get some callaloo and cook. Lord, long feed the callaloo where you cook from scratch. Alright, I'm going to go ahead again and put some black pepper. And some more Old Bay, because you want your callaloo to taste good enough. And then before I put any all-purpose, I taste it. Alright, let's give it a taste. Alright, you can take a look at the all-purpose. Alright, perfect. Alright people, so I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put it on low and cover it, let it steam down a little. Now remember, when you buy the tin callaloo, it's just half cooked. So normally I turn down the flame and let it cook for a little. Like around 5 minutes. Alright people, we callaloo done. We pot done. We're going to dish out some food and you see the final dish. But look on the callaloo. Look at this people. Isn't that beautiful? And let me tell you, it tastes good. Yep. Callaloo and saltfish. Wonderful. We finished cook. Yes, that's the callaloo and saltfish. The ripe plantain. Irish potato. And our dumpling. You're not going to see the color of the dumpling because the oatmeal is white and it is white. And the sweet potato. You just have to cook the dumpling and try it for yourself. That's all I can tell you. But I'm going to try it so you see that it's not just a trick. It is good. Alright people. Let's do this. You can't even see it. You're not going to see it, people. Let's try this, people. Yeah. Gummy and nine. Oh my God. Wow. People. Hey. The oats dumpling bad. Need to try it. One more time. That's the oatmeal dumpling. I'm talking with the food in my mouth. Sorry. People who love white flour, who don't like to eat cornmeal or wheat flour, this dumpling is the best dumpling for you. Cause it kind of have the taste like white dumpling, but you can taste the oatmeal in it. You can taste it. But it's nice. I don't like white flour. So this is good for me. Because I taste that extra oatmeal, that difference. So I know it's not white flour. It's real good. Anyway, people, I can't stay along with you today because I'm going to a baby shower. My grandbaby shower. So this was just a video to show you that you don't have any cornmeal, you don't have any wheat. You can use oatmeal in your flour. There's a lot of things that you can use in your flour. I'll show you some more flour dumpling video as time goes by. But this is one of them. The Fasca oats, Jamaica oats, that's what I use. You can use it by itself, but I rather blend it out. If you like when it's coarse, you can use it. But it is good. Anyway, big up. Big up Common Sense for highlighting our video once again. Easy, no common sense. Let me tell you, easy. Anyway, we take it. Colors internet online parents, we'll take it. Don't worry, because you always said that Colors is like a son to me. Yes, he has a lot of trait like my son. And that's one of the things why I warm up to him too, and his determination and all of that. So we'll take it. So big up yourself every time. People go check out Common Sense, man. In channel really, really, really good. Very informative. Him know for dissect and dissect and dissect. So check him out. People, big up Oliver. Oliver, I do it where I do it, make everybody see it. Big up yourself, Oliver. Go check out Oliver channel, Oliver Lifestyle J. Hey, big up yourself, Oliver. Manix TV, may I watch your video? You know? Big up yourself, Manix. Big up yourself. Daddy G, big up yourself. Go on do the job. Don't make nobody stop you. Junior Lifestyle of fishing. Boy, Junior, you come a far way. Big up yourself. DNG, hope you enjoy England. Me happy for you. Me happy for you. Big up yourself. Sharp man, big up yourself. Steph, big up yourself. All the young YouTubers, big up yourself. Don't stop. The journey has just started. Don't get defeated. Don't get tired. YouTube is a process. Don't get discouraged. Continue the journey. It's a process. Colors see me TV. They think me forget you. I'm forget you. Could never forget you. Big up yourself. Kudos to you, Colors. Every time. All the time. Big up yourself. Big up your wife. Your children. Your sisters. Your brothers. Your mother. Every one of your family. Big them up. Your team. Big them up. Colors see me TV to the world. This is the Francis. See you next time.